Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Thank you very much. This is just a quick communique that was issued at the end of our Southwest Governors Forum meeting held today, Monday, 10th June 2024, here at the Governor's Office in Alao Saikeja. The Southwest Governors Forum at its meeting of today, 10th June 2024, held at the Governor's Office in Alao Saikeja, deliberated extensively on the states of the Southwest states and further resolved as follows. 1. The forum unanimously nominated and adopted the Governor of Lagos State, Mr. Babajide Sanwo Olu, as its chairman. 2. The forum paid its last respect to the late chairman of the Southwest Forum, Arakunrin Oluwarotimi Akeredolu, FCN, CON, and also congratulated the new governor of Ondo State, His Excellency Honorable Lucky Orimisan Ayedatiwa, and also for winning the APC governorship ticket for the next election in Ondo State. The governors adopted Isewa Fun Ile Wa, Isewa Fun Ile Wa as the Southwest anthem going forward. The meeting commenced Mr. President, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, DCFR, on the groundbreaking Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road, and also the proposed Lagos-Sokoto Road. And the meeting further encourages the federal government to rehabilitate all other federal roads in the region. The meeting on security, the forum comments the relative peace currently enjoying within our Southwest region and notes the collaborative efforts of all security agencies, including Amotekun Corps, and we reaffirm our support for the creation of state police. On food security, the forum acknowledged the efforts of the federal government and decides that our various Honorable Commissioner for Agri at all of our states should begin to meet and set up a working template which will encourage collaboration based on each state's comparative advantage in the agricultural value chain. With the Nigerian Labour Union, the forum believes that the outcome will reflect a true fiscal federalism that we all preach. The forum also encourages the federal government's effort on mineral resource exploitation. There should be a further collaboration between the federal government and states, especially in areas of granting of leases to various investors. The forum condemns in strong terms the group of people agitating for the Yoruba nation. The forum agrees to strengthen the Dawn Commission on its operational efficiency and charges the Commission to focus on economic integration, cooperation, and investment promotion of the Southwest region. To that end, each state is also mandated to appoint a focal person that will be reporting to them and have integration with the Dawn Commission. This communique was signed by the 6 executive governors of the Southwest, the Governor of Lagos, the Governor of Oyo State, the Governor of Osun State, the Governor of Ondo State, the Governor of Ekiti State, and the Governor of Ogun State. Thank you very much, gentlemen of the press, for listening. Thank you.